G'day everyone, I am Grishal Ranbula and we are the Group 3. Together with my group mates Boblo, Denwata Rena, Del Campo, Moda, and Padilla, and we will have our group video presentation entitled Homemade Water Filter. Our theme, Clean Water for Everyone, and for our group objectives are first, to learn the process of water filtration, second, to grasp on how nanomaterials help in cleaning a dirty water, lastly, to be able to help people have a clean water through this output. And here our conceptual framework, yours truly for the title, theme, objectives, as well as the conceptual framework. Moda for the introduction, Boblo to explain to us our nanomaterials output, then Watarana for the materials, Del Campo for the procedures, and Padilla for the significance and the conclusion.
Good day everyone, my name is Aisa Kalatao Moda. Introduction. Water covers more than 70% of Earth's surface. It was in water that life on Earth started, so it's not surprising that all living things on our blue planet need water. In fact, 70% of Earth is covered with water. However, only about 3% that can be used for drinking water. 3% of the Earth water is fresh, but 2.5% of the Earth fresh water is unavailable and locked up in glacier, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil, highly polluted, or lies too far under the Earth's surface of the Earth. For us human, water is not only vital for our bodies, it is also a resource we benefit from every day, from our household needs to economic. We use water to build our homes, schools, and roads, and to heat buildings and cool power plants. With electricity we generate from its movement, we light our cities and our homes. On the hot summer day, we tap into sea or go to our stroll by the lake to cool off. When the sun asks, we need water that will countless answer comes out our minds. Opportunity, the way we use the heat, this precious resource not only impact our health, it also impact all life independent on water. Pollutions, over exploitation, physical alteration of water habitats, and climate change continue to undermine the quality of vitality of water.
Hello everyone, this is Marafi Boblo, and let me introduce to you our final product, which is called the Homemade Water Filter. Homemade water filter, one of the things we thank technology is for having an easier access to clean water. From water pump to tap water, from boiling a water to having a dispenser, these are the examples of technology progress in connection to water. In our chosen work, we have researched another way of helping people have an easier access to clean water, the homemade water filter. What are water filters? Water filters remove unwanted impurities from water such as sediment, taste and odor, hardness, and bacteria to result in better quality water. The main importance of water filtration is to prevent water-related illnesses and diseases, or for people to have a cleaner water. Infants, elderly adults, and people with poor immune systems are more highly susceptible to experiencing adverse effects due to contaminated water. Some even dig well on their vacant lot, hoping to get a clean water. Sadly, all their efforts have gone to waste only to see a brown-colored water springing up the well. There is one reality we need to hear this time. While many people in the country have clean water, there are still areas in need of one. Most of those barely have access to clean water and must boil or filter their water. In this homemade water filter, we can help people from far-flung areas who rely on rains just to save water for daily use.
Good day everyone, I am Rena Maidenwata. These are the materials needed for the homemade water filter. Plastic water bottle, base or tall drinking glass, scissors or knife, gravel or small stones, which contain minerals, silica, and oxygen. This is one of our nanomaterials. Clean sand, activated charcoal, which contain carbon and are proven a helpful way to filter out fine dust. Cotton balls, also a helpful way to cleanse dirt. And lastly, gardening dirt for our dirty water. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. So for the procedures of the homemade water filter, first prepare the materials. Second, Put the bottom at the bottom part of the bottle, then the charcoal. At the top of it are the pebbles, sand, and gravels. Number 3, pour the dirty water through the homemade filtration. And lastly, number 4, check how the dirty water turned clearer. This is a very simple steps that could be a great help for the society.
Each layer that consists of nanomaterials in the homemade water filter has a purpose. Crayble or small stones are used to filter out large sediments like leaves or insects, whereas sand is used to remove fine impurities. Finally, the activated charcoal removes contaminants and impurities through chemical abstraction. This output really works as these physical barriers that can block or trap debris, and sometimes bacteria from passing through. Generally, the speed of the water flow will depend on the size of the cups in the filter barrier or membrane. A fine filter with the smallest cups will mean a slower water flow. The nanomaterials found help clean the dirty water and produce a cleaner one. Although it did not pass as drinking water, it is a great help for laundries, washing the dishes, bathing, and the other chores that we need water. This output is very significant to me because I lived in a place where water is a day-to-day problem. We wait for rain for us to have a water, and if it rarely rains, we needed to go fetch water from a water well which is far from our home, and many people also uses it, and sometimes that well runs dry. We tried digging well in our empty lot only to find a dirty brown water. Through this water filter, I'll be able to share hope to people that it is possible to have a cleaner water through this process.
There's a quiet place that gives me peace when I'm alone with you. There's a hiding place. Your spirit's always there when I'm confused.